Good morning everyone. Welcome to Angan Public School online video lecture. In the previous lecture, we are completed in textbook activity lesson number 10 and today we are we are explaining about exercise lesson number 10 in our workbook now. So let we start now. So guys, this is your English workbook. In this workbook, we are completed the exercise of lesson number 10 today. This is lesson number 10, unit 10, the Supremo. Question is here, first question is here. Read the lines of the poem and answer the questions. When the great sun comes up at dawn, he is the king of the sky. He says to the stars, get out of my sight, beyond, and the moon turns perfectly white in the powerful light. So students, here they are given first stanza to us and ask a few questions about that stanza. There is a first question is, who is the king of the sky in the poem? So answer, the sun is the king of the sky in the poem. Okay. Second question, whom does he order to go away? वो किसका ऑर्डर करता है? He orders the moon and the stars to go away. Then the third question, write the rhyming words of the lines. Okay. So white and lights are the rhyming word of these lines. So question number 4 is here. MCQ. First, the sun is called the dash of the sky. A में है king, B में supremo, C ruler, D light. In this A, B, C, D, we are choose the right answer. So right answer is A, king. So we are mention the alphabets here A. Then the second, the moon turns dash in the sunlight. A में है light, B में bright, C में white and D is blue. So the moon turns white in the sunlight. So answer will be C, white. So we mention here C. Okay. Then the second stanza of this poem is, then he climbs the sky to the height of the noon and sits on his throne brighter than bright and reigns alone. So here is second stanza and these are its question answers also. So first question is here, at what time of the day does he sit on his throne? So answer, he sits on the throne at noon. Second question is, write the rhyming words of the lines. So throne and alone, these are the rhyming words. Third question is here, write the correct option, यानी कि MCQ. Okay, so first is here, the sun reigns. A में है jointly, B में है alone, C में है in the sky and D में है on the earth. So answer will be alone, B. So we are mentioning here a B. So guys, turn the page. The second MCQ is here that the sun sits on the throne. A में है in the morning, B में in the evening, C at night and D at noon. So right answer will be D, at noon. D will mention we here now. Then the third stanza of this poem is, but when he descends in the afternoon, the shadow grows long and the power begins to ebb and wane. Here also they asking 3 MCQs on this stanza to us now. So first will be, in the afternoon the shadow dash. A में है disappear, B appear, C grow long and D grow short. The correct answer will be grow long. So C we are mentioned here. Then the second, in the afternoon the power of the sun begins to dash. A में है ebb and wane, B में है increase, C में है become dull and D में है become bright. So answer will be A, ebb and wane. Here we mention the A. Then third, the sun dash in the afternoon. A ascends, B descends, C shine, and D fall. So right answer will be descend. So we mention here D. The sun descends in the afternoon. So we start a fourth stanza of this poem. So, and when he goes down in his kingly way, at the end of the day he ceases to reign, the darkness falls, the stars come out, and night returns to the world again. So guys, here is fourth stanza of this poem. Now this is the last stanza of this poem. They are asking us a few questions on this stanza. So first question is here, when does he cease to reign? He ceases to reign at the end of the day. Second question, what happens when the sun goes down? When the sun goes down, the stars come out and the night returns again. And the third question is here that write the rhyming word of the lines. So way, day, and rain and again. Okay, these are the right words of this stanza. The fourth question is here of MCQs. First here, the sun goes down in a dash. A में है super way, B में है great way, C में है kingly way, and D में है brave way. So the sun goes down in a kingly way. The right answer will be C. Then second, the sun ceases to reign. A में है at the end of the day, B at the end of the night, C at dawn, and D at night. So right answer at the end of the day. So guys, here are third number MCQ on the next page now. So third is, when darkness falls, the dash come out. A birds, B animals, C children, D stars. So right answer will be D, stars. When darkness falls, the stars come out. And 4 number, when darkness falls, the dash returns. A day, B night, C sun, and D moon. When darkness falls, the night returns. So B is the right answer. So guys, we are completing today page number 97, 98. Okay, and in next lecture we are continue of this lesson now. So guys, have a nice day. Bye bye.